Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be giving you the tips and tricks on DJI Mini 5 Pro, how you can charge the DJI Mini 5 Pro battery and the RC2 remote control, and how you came to know how good is the battery life. So I will be giving you those easy tips and tricks. So first of all, this is my DJI Mini 5 Pro. So if you see on the battery, just press once, so it will give you the indicator. See, as you can see, there are 3 points on. See, 2 points now left, so which means I have to charge the battery. And same way, you press the remote control once and you will see how much is the battery. See, this is 3 points, and so I need to fully charge that also. So, and this is my battery case, charging case, and one battery is in the drone. So it will be better, either you can charge directly in the drone by putting the charging cable here, or either you can transfer the battery, put it in the case, and then you can charge all the batteries together. So they have provided this kind of type C to type C charging cable. So let me show you. This is this type of the cable they have provided. So there is no power wall adapter, so you need this kind of power wall adapter, so which is very common. So maybe if you are using Samsung phones or those things, you will get that. So first of all, I will be showing you. So just put up the power adapter. So this is my wall adapter, and you have to attach the cable here and then turn it on. Okay, so now I will be charging the remote control first. So on the remote control here, this is my charging port, and the left side is the micro SD card. So you can put it the charging cable here, so just like this, and see, it is flashing now. All the green lights are flashing, which mean it is charging now. So when the remote control is fully charged, there will be no lights flashing. It will be all blank here, so which means it is fully charged. So as you can see, my power is on here, and there is no flashing light. So the connector is on. There is no flashing light here, and if I check that, see, all the 4 lights are on. My remote is fully charged now. So now first of all, it will be better if I transfer the battery to this case, and then I charge all the batteries together. So to take out the battery, so you press both the sides. See this one, there is a press button. On this one also you press button with your 2 fingers, and then you can pull the battery. See, like this. So battery is out. So you can now put the battery here in the case. It will go like this, and then you can charge the all together. So I will be showing you. So it will go like this, and now it is showing me the first 2 batteries are fully charged, and the third one, it is charging now. It will show like flashing green, and if it is stable green, it means it is all charged. So once the third battery is fully charged, it will be all solid green. So you can see now, these all the lights are stable green, solid green. It means the charging is all done. So all the 3 batteries are fully charged now. So you can charge the drone directly also if there is a battery inside. So this is my wall adapter, and they don't provide the wall adapter, so turn it on. And this is the type C to type C cable they have provided, this one. So this is the drone, and right side is the micro SD card, and don't put up the cable here, it will not go. And left side is the type C cable, so you put it on, and so if you see, this is a flashing now. So flashing mean it is charging. So when it is all stable, then it means it is fully charged. So because battery is fully charged, so that's why it is a all four lights are stable. So it means charging is not required. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And thanks for watching this YouTube video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.